Recently, we have tested lots of app for publishing on the Google Play Console account. Here you can see the one of the example. It is tested a few days ago and it is now live on Google Play Store. If I want to share something then other, you can see those lots of account are on the testing process, and those are account. And if I show you the another one, it's running close testing. You can see that on there the progress. It's now 3 days and only 11 days remaining for testing. We are continuously testing and giving a great service to you. If you want, please contact with me. Where on the description box you can find a Gmail or Telegram or WhatsApp account, so that you can contact with me for this service. We are successfully published lots of accounts app. And here you can see that after the finishing the 20 testers, you can see here this is 20 testers done and only applicable for owner. You can see that here on the uh, only account owner can apply for the production. You can see that I tested and our team tested the app. After that only owner can apply for the testing. After the applying testing, it will take a few days and some few more questions. I will help you to put the questions actually. And if I share with other app that I am running test here, this one, yes, this one is on the testing phase. It's now in review. After the in review, we'll test the app, and lots of account we have tested and here not listed because they are remove me from the permission. They just gives me permission for the testing. After that they remove me. It's not a big issue. Here you can see that they give me the permission for accessing. If I share to one more thing that I want to share you. Oh, okay, let me share with another one. Okay, I am sharing you with another one that I also work for the app rejection, app removal issues. If you face any issue with your Google Console account, then I will help you to here you can see that the app is rejected on January 4, and I have published the app on the January 4 rapidly. I removed the rejection issues on the applications. And if I want to share another one, you can see that here also I am testing the app and it's on the testing phase. 20 testers done and we are continuously testing the app. If I share another app, you can see on the okay, I think this one, traveler taxi. Okay, if I go to inbox, then you can see the rejection. Here you can see the rejection and removal app. Then I have successfully published the app on January 7, and it's also in January 7, rejected January 7, and I removed the rejection issues on the, January 7. It's successfully in live. If I want to share you on the live link, you can see here two app are published now. Here this is in the live. So if you want to contact with me, the given description box you can contact with me. And if you face any issue with your Google Console account, please contact with me because I am the expert on the Google Console.